I am Naeem and I am from Rajkot district and I have completed my BSc from Saurashtra University with 56 percentage, and my hobby is making friend, traveling and workout, and my strength is I am hardworking person, I am positive approach person, and I am confident person. There are four members in my family, and my father is the fruit seller, and my mother is the housemaker, and my sister is the study BCom. And my aim is I want to make my career in pharmaceutical company because this profession is very growing profession, and if we work hard, the sky is the limit for promotion. And we join the MR as a MR, and we become a area manager if we work hard and sincerely. And as a medical rep, we meet a very reputed person of the society like doctor, and we learn a good thing to them. And as a medical rep, meeting and traveling is the much required personality in this field, so it is my hobby. And I belong to middle class family, so I want lot of money for my family, and I joined this profession not for only salary, also for incentive. And my strong dedication for this work, I will achieve my success in this profession. So give me one chance and show my strength. Medical rep, what is the MR role? MR has met doctor, chemist and stockist, and MR has achieved the target, and MR has he take the survey about company product at wholesaler and retailer, and he daily meet 12 to 20 doctor, chemist and stockists, and he take a survey about competitor product, and he should focus on secondary sale. And I am from Cello company, and it is our Cello company pen. It is available in three color like blue, black and orange, and its nib is very super and fine quality. It has the attractive cap, and its body is the very transportable, so we can see the level of ink, and ink is the waterproof, and it has the rose fragrance, and it is available in many shapes as your convenience. Its price is only 5 rupees. If you purchase this pen, we will give discount on 5% on this pen. So you purchase this pen and try it smoothly. And digestive system, it consists of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach and small intestine and large intestine. First of all, food enter the mouth, and salivary glands make saliva, and saliva make food pulpy, and food go in esophagus. In esophagus, sphincter has the present. Sphincter push the food, and food go in stomach. In stomach, HCl is the present, and HCl clear the bacteria, and two enzymes are present in the stomach. Renin and pepsin. Renin and pepsin digest the food, and food go in small intestine. Small intestine, liver and pancreas is the present. Liver send bile juice, and bile juice digest the fat, and pancreas send pancreatic juice, and pancreatic juice digest the protein, and food go small large intestine. In large intestine, water and mineral are digest, and food go undigested food go out through the body, right, from rectum and inner canal. Thank you. I am Naeem and I am from Cello company, and it is our Cello company pen. It is available in three colors, and like blue, black and orange. Its nib is very super and fine quality. Its ink is the doesn't melt during the summer, and its look is very attractive, and it is available in transportable body, so we can show the level of ink, and ink doesn't melt during the summer, and ink is the waterproof, and it is available in many shapes as your convenience, and its ride is very smoothly, and there is the facility of changing the refill when necessary, and its price is only 10 rupees. If you purchase 3 pen, we will give the discount on this pen, so purchase this pen and ride smoothly. Thank you. Diabetes, it is the group of metabolic disorder, and its first type is the insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, and diabetes when occur, the immune system attack on the beta cell of the pancreas, and little insulin is released in the body. As a result, sugar build up in blood, and blood instead used as energy. blood instead being used as energy. And second type is the non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. In this type, body does not produce enough insulin to work function, and or cell is not work, do not react with the insulin. As a result, sugar is the buildup in the body, in the blood, and blood instead being used as energy. And 90% people with second type of the diabetes. And third type is the gestational diabetes. In this type, type is the affect the woman during the pregnancy, and it is reduced after the birth of baby. And fourth type is the diabetes. Glucose level of blood is the higher than the normal situation, but not enough merit diabetes diagnosis. And its medication is the metformin, and medication is for metformin, and its complication is the eye, stomach, and kidney, blood, brain. Thank you. Nervous system is divided into part CNS and PNS. CNS is the central nervous system, and PNS is the peripheral nervous system. CNS is divided into parts brain and spinal cord, and brain has three parts: cerebrum, and brainstem. Cerebrum controls the smile, touch, intelligence, and memory, and cerebrum controls all our body movement. And brainstem is divided into part: upper part and lower part. Upper part is the hypothalamus and thalamus. Hypothalamus controls hypothalamus controls the thirst, hunger, and temperature, and thalamus save the message and give the spinal cord. And the lower part is the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata control the two vital part, heart and lungs. And what is the NSID? NSID, non-steroidal inflammatory drug. Circulatory system is consists heart, lungs, auricle, and veins. Heart is the organ of muscular, and it acts as a pump. And heart is divided in four chambers: right auricle, right ventricle, and left auricle, left ventricle. Lungs purify the blood, deoxygenate blood to oxygenate blood, and veins, artery collect the pure blood. In one exception is the pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery collect the impure blood, and biggest artery in the body is the aorta, and aorta collect the impure blood. And veins collect the impure blood. In one exception is the pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein collect the pure blood, and two biggest vein in the body, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava collect the blood from upper body part to the heart, and inferior vena cava collect the blood from the lower body part to the heart. First of all, two veins collect the impure blood of the body, and superior vena cava collect the impure blood from upper body part to the heart, and inferior vena cava collect the blood from lower body part to the heart. And blood go right auricle to right ventricle through valve, and right ventricle to blood go lungs through pulmonary artery, and blood is purified in the lungs. Then blood go the left auricle. In left auricle to blood go left ventricle through valve, and left veins to blood go whole body part through aorta artery. In aorta artery is the big artery of the body. This cycle is called circulatory system. I am Naeem, and I am from Cello Company. It is available in three colors like blue, black, and orange. And its nib is very super and fine quality, and it has the attractive cap, and its body is the transportable, so we can show the level of ink, and ink doesn't melt during the summer, and ink has the fragrance of rose, and its price is only 10 rupees. So if you purchase 3 pen, we will give the discount of 5%, so you can purchase this pen and write smoothie. Thank you.